Hey guys, it's Brynn. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the REVLON hairbrush slash hairdryer. So this is a brush that is like a hairbrush and a hairdryer combined together. So when you brush your hair, it's going to dry my hair too. So I thought this was going to be really cool, and I got it at Target for $60. So, let's see if this works on my hair, because I have really thick hair, so I don't even know if this is going to work, but let's get to unboxing and reviewing this. So, and no, I've not opened this yet. I literally waited till today. And yes, I already just took a shower, so. I always have to take it, seriously? Okay. Okay, so there's nothing left in the box except I do not understand why this thing's on top. Oh, because this top is the thing. Okay. So I guess I'm just gonna take this thing off. Okay, so and instructions, but I'm not a big fan of instructions because I think I know how to plug something in. But today, since it's going on my hair, I'm definitely reading the instructions.
3 days later.
Okay, so that didn't really tell me how to use this thing, but I'm just gonna try and figure it out because this seems pretty easy. So, and yes, I'm not like moving my mouth a lot. Like I know I'm like talking obviously, but I'm not gonna talk too much in this video because I'm sunburned like around my mouth right here, and it's super dry. I would show you guys, but like that's weird. So. And yes, I'm keeping the packaging and this does not work. So this is what it looks like. Let me see if it even runs through my hair. Oh, it does. Wait, let me try like a big strand right here. Yes, it actually works. Okay. So it actually goes through my hair, which is a good sign. And yes, I had a $13 gift card, like, you know, $13 left on the gift card, so I just paid for so Mommy just paid for the rest, so she gets 2 free spray tans by my mom. So I'm very thankful that she bought this for me, because I'm gonna start taking morning showers for school. The school starts next Wednesday. Okay, so I'm gonna plug this in. So right now it's on off. So is there any other setting? Okay, so I'm just gonna put this in time lapse and see if this even works. Okay. So yeah. Guys, this is legit real. Like, this actually worked. And then compared to this, wet, dry, like, I did not think this was gonna work, being honest. I just thought it was gonna go wrong, but this actually works. Like, I honestly thought this was just gonna like make my hair very poofy. It said it was gonna volumize my hair, but I don't think that's gonna work because my hair is like already so thick that it's just probably not gonna do that, which I do not need for my hair. But look, it even like did the ends and everything. Well, in like real life it looks better, but like it even like, watch. Okay, so it sounds like this. And I put it on high the whole time, so that's pretty great. That's all I did. And it technically like straightened my hair. Like, I know there's some wavy pieces like, oh my gosh, it's not straighten your hair, but like it does. Like, it straightened my hair like pretty good. Usually it's like super wavy, guys, like so wavy. So I'm just gonna continue, and then I will finish up, and I will, you know, show you guys at the end of the video. Okay guys, so my hair is all dry and I really love this product so much. I'm really glad that me and my grandma could, you know, get it. Really great product. I definitely recommend it. And it even works for thick hair, and I have really thick hair, so it definitely worked. And it honestly did not even take that long. Like, hair dryer takes so much longer. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!